As a business and productivity tool at heart, Notion offers a number of ways to put tables and spreadsheets in your document. If you're trying to import or create tables in Notion, here's how to do it. The easiest way to create and set a table is to use Notion on a desktop computer. So head over to notion.so or open your Notion app to get started. Make sure you're signed in and head to where you want to put your table in. If you've got a table already formatted in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, you can save them as a .csv file and import them. On a new page or subpage, click on the triple dotted icon in the top right and select Import. On the window that pops up, select CSV and find and load your document. If you want to import your data into an inline table, mouse over the title section, then click on the triple dotted icon that appears and select Merge with CSV. Notion will do its best to import your document into the inline table. If you only need to import a portion of your document, you can also copy and paste your table in, though how well this works may depend on your table. If you run into formatting issues or you want to create one from scratch, you've got two kinds of tables you can make. To create a table as its own page on your sidebar, click on Add Page and select Table from the options presented. If you want to create one as its own subpage on a page, head over to the page you want to link the table to and click where you want the subpage link to appear. Type in /table and select Table Full Page. Notion will then create a table for you to fill in as a subpage on your page. To create a table on the page itself, select Table Inline. Give your table a title, then add as many rows and columns as you need. The top row will be used for setting the column property for the table, and the property type of the leftmost cell can't be changed. To create a simple table, set all of the column properties to text. Feel free to explore the other property types when you can get a feel for what Notion can do. Once those are set, you can start filling in your table. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Notion and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.